Okay guys, what if you have absolutely no time for some reason? You only have time to do one thing, and just for a very short period of time, 10, 15 minutes or whatever, you can get in. What should you do? This is Mike Norris from Mike Norris Fit. Help men over 50 lose weight, get in shape, get fitter, live a healthier lifestyle. Now, if you're not a big weightlifter, if you're a beginner, or you're just getting started, this is not for the guys that hang out in the gym half the day like I do. The best thing you can do is walk. If it's 10 minutes, 15, whatever you can get. And you can walk anywhere. You say, well, I got grandkids, I can't keep them, or I can't get outside or anything. You don't have to get outside. I can't tell you how many hundreds of thousands of steps I put in probably walking in place, walking up and down the hallway. When I first was losing weight, it was really cold and we had some ice and snow, and I would do a quick walk outside, and at night I would be walking up and down the hallway around the house, and I would either be listening to a TV program, or I had headphones on then, listen to some kind of music or something. But the absolute best thing you can do is to walk. If you're over the age of 50, 60, 70, 80, whatever, and you're not a weightlifter yet, or you can't get to the gym, walk. If that's all you have is a short period of time. Hopefully, and I've said this in a couple videos, I can get it through to you that you can do short walks. If you can't do a long 30, 45 minute walk, hour walk, whatever, do 3 10-minute walks, 3 15-minute, 3 5-minute walks. Do what you can do. I have a video, and it'll be up here somewhere, and it's about a beginner lifting, how you can build strength. And if you're just walking, that's the next step that you want to go to. But there's nothing wrong with you walking, but there's a ton of reasons you want to build a little muscle. But if time is of the essence, I understand. And I used to, even though I had a gym membership, when I was trying to lose weight, the number one thing I did was walk. Back then, because I had a lot of stuff going on, I was doing quick 30-minute workouts in the gym on the weights. And sometimes I would do circuits where you go from machine to machine to machine, or different dumbbell exercises without taking a break. Go from one to the other. Now you talk about something to get your heart rate up, but you're not ready for that yet if you are a beginner. So the number one thing easily is walking. And you guys that are big weightlifters, I know you're going to whine and cry and say that doesn't do anything for you, blah, blah, blah. This is for beginners, or people who haven't done anything in a long, long time, or people who have absolutely no time, is to get out and walk. And that's what you need to do. If you like the video, give it a like, share it, subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.